So we're sitting here in AJ's car, and not gonna lie, it's pretty bumpy every time a semi goes by. And
look at that, you're a professional vlogger!
As you can see,
professional vlogger!
Hey,
professional vlogger!
I'm gonna have to ask you to calm down.
Bitch!
Alright, so what's going on today? Yeah, so the CV axle we fixed the other night, that broke. I didn't even do anything. That's the thing. So I thought I broke the other one because I think I said in the last video, I might have posted it, or I don't know. But I said that when one part breaks, another one is like, it's soon gonna break too. They both broke. I swapped out the one I thought broke, and then when I was like moving the wheel on the other side to get it to turn, to tighten the bolts, only that side was spinning, and I was like, that's weird. So I went to like, I thought maybe it was out of gear, so or sorry, I thought maybe it was in gear still, because I tried to turn the other side and it wasn't moving, and it was in gear. And then when I went to pull it out of gear, like, it just hit me. I was like, wait, if it was in gear, why was the other wheel moving? That shouldn't be happening. And then I realized that only that CV axle was spinning, so that CV axle was broke. Or more or less just wasn't connected. But either way, they all broke. So we gotta fix them today.
These are the two stock ones. I think this one, oh yeah, that was the one that I totally fucked up myself. Like, that was my fault. This one, I guess it wasn't broken, but it is now because we cut the boot to get the bolts off. So, Jesus, we're stupid. I'm stupid. This is why I have bad luck with cars. I do dumb stuff to them.
And as far as this one goes, I'm just gonna crank my ISO up really high. Oh, can I go higher? Yeah, it looks like doo-doo, but yeah, I can. As far as this one go, yeah, you can see it. We pulled it off and everything just fell apart, so yeah, that one broke. This is the brand new one. I gotta go to the parts store here in a little bit. I walk my happy ass down there with this part and get the new one, then come back. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk down to the parts store now. It's like 5 minutes from down the road. It's not that far, thank God. But I'm not gonna take my camera just because I gotta carry that, and that's like pretty heavy. My hand is still kind of broke, and I actually should have my cast on still. Like, this hurts a lot, but I got tired of the cast, so I took it off. Probably not the best idea, but heh, the hell with it. Oh shit, what up? I got the new axle. I'm about to put it in right now. And Dakota's here. I'm gonna get under the car. And since it's brighter outside, it might be a little bit easier to show you guys. It smells like fuel. Ooh, it's kind of cold on the ground. Alright, let's turn this up. The axle, I got the new one right there. That one, that's when I was like, oh, I thought I broke that one. So we're gonna have both axles replaced. I'm gonna probably get on that right now. And yeah, just get it done real quick. And then go do what I wanted to do today, which is actually go take some photos of my car. And like, take photos of Dakota's car. And yeah, it'll be fun. So you. Hi Dakota.
Sup?
Sup? Sup? Zoom in on your face.
Sup?
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 So you said like 45 minutes to get the axle in?
Yeah, don't touch my wiener while I'm doing this stuff.
Oh, okay.
No, don't. Get away. That's my wiener. What are you doing? I heard my camera go off.
Yeah.
100,000 subscribers, I got a tattoo on my left butt cheek, and you guys get a pic. Fuck. But it can't be a, you know, wiener. That's...
Oh, it's gonna be.
That's a boo-boo. Ow, that actually hurts a lot right now.
Down?
I don't know.
Or up?
Left, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I see what I'm saying? It's not fucking...
That's stripped, my guy.
Alright, well that's on there now.
Fuck,
It ain't
dude,
going anywhere.
I hope for yours.
It's fine. Stop fucking it up. Okay, we're good.
Is it safe to assume you're gonna do
right?
No, because I gotta be nice on my tires right now. It's not recording right now.
Can I actually? Yes, it is.
Oh, it's not.
2 minutes 26 seconds and counting.
Oh, Jesus
Been
Christ.
recording this whole time. What do you mean? God damn it! This is the footage that they need to see, AJ.
Me messing stuff up. This is a hammer you want to use when you don't want to break something.
It's actually a rubber mallet.
Shut up. This is the hammer you want to use when you want to break something. I don't care what he says. This is a hammer.
That's the ask politely mallet. That's the I wasn't asking hammer.
Yeah. This is.
Go ahead, hit your car with that hammer. Oh my god.
Well, she's running. Well, I mean, she was always running, but CV axles are in now. Now we're gonna test them. I gotta drive to the store anyways. I gotta get some gas anyways. So I will get some gas. We're gonna probably drive to Vancouver to his place for a little bit and see what's going on. And then after that, we're gonna go take some photos of my car and then his Harley that he has. So yeah, he's just waiting for me to go, and then we're gonna be on our way. But yeah, we'll see how she does. Hopefully the next clip isn't me broken down.
So yeah, no problems yet. And Dakota's decided to take his bike out.
Oh yeah? Alright, I'll follow you. It's a beautiful day. Well, you didn't want people thinking you're a what?
I'm a fraud.
A what?
A fraud.
For
Because she's on a bike and we were taking photos.
And I'm attractive, so
Oh, are you?
attractive women and Harleys don't mix.
Is she attractive?
yeah.
He's like, yeah, that's your girlfriend. That's why you think so.
Fuck you.
You know, honestly, the bike may be a little bit more attractive. Yeah, let's see this thing shoot flames. Yeah. My ears. America. So yeah, we came down here in this big open field. I originally wanted to do my photo shoots over there, but it's cars kept coming. Yeah, I didn't think there was gonna be that much traffic out here, but there was. So we ended up doing my photo shoot on this road because there's been nobody driving by, and now there's a car. Yeah, did you hear that downshift? I want to see what that is too. He's not even coming this way. Oh! Oh! Wait, it's over there.
Is it?
Yeah, I heard it over there, so that's not that car. Oh, there it is. I heard it go boom, boom. See if he even comes in here. It sounds like a drift car. Oh, here he comes.
Yeah.
Woo! 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 Give him a thumbs up! Yeah! Send it! Send it! Oh, he didn't send it. You fucking turn around! Hey! Send it! Send it! Back to the original story is we wanted to do, well, I just wanted to get some photos of the BMW, and then I want to get more, of course, elsewhere. But Dakota came with his bike, which he doesn't bring out too much. Not his bike, Frankie's bike, that's right.
That's her.
So we also got photos of it too. And I'm gonna turn my camera off here because the sun's going down. It's gonna get dark. You guys won't be able to see. But yeah, it was a fun night. I was glad to hang out with Dakota right there, who didn't help me at all fix my fucking car.
I made you do it so you know how to do it next time.
Well, I already know how to do it, but hey, it's
Now you know
okay.
how to do it
It's
even
okay.
better.
Thank you for the moral support. I love you anyways.
Love you.
And now we're gonna do a burnout to send off this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you better not mess this up. Alright, get it straight. Get it straight, come on.
It's just dragging the front tire.
You got this.
Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Have a good night. Thumbs up this video, or thumbs down, whatever you feel like doing. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.